You show him the balloon, Shane? I mean, Chase? Shane! Shane! Good job, Chase. Oh, he likes it. He's watching you. He's thinking about it.
It's for you. Oh, Shane, you want this? Want this dream of you? Okay, hey Mom.
Yeah.
I got that dream for him so he can play with it. Well, and so I can. So.
You want to see him?
Yeah.
Can you bring the string a little farther away so he'll crawl to it?
Yes. Hey, I did this far away. I did this. Stay a little far away. There.
Good job, Chase. You see him?
Look at
Oh, he got it. Can you do it again?
Not enough. Oh, here.
Good job, Chase.
My Shane trying to
He's
crawl.
trying to crawl. Go, Shane, go. Go, Shane, go. Yay!
Yeah, he crawled all the way to that tree.
What did he do? Hey, what's on the end of your string?
A white string.
I know, what's on the very end of your string?
A balloon.
A balloon. Can I see it? Can you pull it down for me? Let's see it. Ah, there it is. Very cool, Chase. Okay, can you take that away from him again so he's not chewing on it?
What?
Can you take the string away from him again so he's not chewing on it? But do it very gently because he's got it in his mouth. Can you do it gently? Oh, so gently. Good job.
Here.
Oh, he's going for your string.
Shane! He got it!
He got it! Yay! Oh, Chase, you're getting good at this. Uh-oh, he's going for your string again. Silly Shane. Silly Shane. Oh, he's going to crawl for yours. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Uh-oh. Well, show him my balloon.
Mm-hmm. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yay! Okay, let's let him have it for a little bit now that he did such a good job, okay?
Oh, because
You did awesome, Chase. Good job.